is up, guys? So I'm about to show you a Crunch Labs workshop. And now we're gonna be walking in. It's gonna be awesome. So you guys, right now, just go to crunchlabs.com if you wanna learn more about Crunch Labs if you don't know. And subscribe to their channel and mine and Mark Rivers. And let's go with the tour. So when we start walking in, the security guard, make sure no one's coming in, because this stuff maybe explode. So password. Mark Rover's the best. Okay, so this is it. Welcome to the Crunch Labs workshop. So we have all the boxes on this right here. We have my computer. We have cameras right here. There's a camera looking at us right there on the side. Another camera over there. And we have this ring light I use for filming. And this is some pictures. We have all the boxes on here. We took all the toys out.
Get used to the noise. It will happen every once in a while. And FYI, don't make any sparks or fire in there. Because this thing are highly flammable and it will explode. FYI, look at right here. Flammable fluids. Right there. So just be careful when you're in the Crunch Labs warehouse. Sorry, well, our warehouse. And actually, my name's Nathan, and I do not sound like that. And I'm also a bodyguard.
So we have Crunch Labs, Wilma. We have a charging station with cameras, and a security guard, found a Nerf gun. We have some plans, secret inventions. We have a robot I got for Christmas. But we're gonna turn that into a Crunch Bug. Let's get a Sharpie and name that. We're gonna turn this right here. Look. We're gonna turn this into not the M-Bot and not Neo. We're gonna turn it into Crunch Bot. So now, Crunch Bots. Whenever we use this bot, it is Crunch Bot. Sweet. And we're gonna do lots of updates to see